Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this drag marble Valentine's Day nail design. So I'm going to use a sheer pink polish by Pure Ice called Satin Ribbon, pink also by Pure Ice called Lucky You, another pink by Everglaze called Rethink Pink, red by Simple Colors called Go Go Girl, and white by Creative Play called I Blanked Out. Those are a lot of colors, so if you want to, you can edit the colors as you want. So I'm going to apply a thick coat of that sheer pink polish. I like to always use the background as pink. I don't use it that much, but I like it because I think it kind of makes the colors, pop. It helps highlight the colors more than doing a white background. That's just my personal opinion. And as you can see, I'm just adding drops of those colors. Like I said, you don't have to use all the colors. You can use white and pink, or red and white, whatever colors you want. And I'm going to swirl the colors together using a thin nail brush. I don't really have like a specific marble design. I just like swirling it together and getting a pretty look. And then I didn't have enough white, so I just painted in some white just to give it a little bit more, definition. It was getting too pink and red, so I just added some white. And you can do that as the polish is still wet. And as you can see, I just pulled the polish off just to dry it a little faster. And then using the same brush, I'm just going to draw in or add some holo polish into it. Just give it some time to dry a little bit because the polish is still wet, so give it some time. But I just thought adding the holo just gave it a more glamorous and pretty and fun look. And once I was done, I just applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video easy for you to recreate if you want. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.